Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a good day as always. So today I want to talk about an insurance company called Gabi that me and my girlfriend recently used to see if we could save some money on car insurance and pretty much share my experiences because it was able to save money for one of us. So if you've never heard of Gabi before, they're pretty much one of those online insurance companies where they're not your insurance provider. They pretty much just shop around and see who's going to give you the best deal. All you really need to do is let them know what you're shopping for and they'll compare that to everyone else. They make this really easy because you don't really have to talk to anybody. Pretty much what you do is you go to their website, you're going to input pretty much your basic information in, and then they're going to ask you what you're looking for. Again, whether that's auto, renters, homeowners, umbrella insurance, right? They pretty much do everything. But what they do is they're going to do an apples to apples comparison of your existing policy by one of two ways. And I do want to talk about this point specifically because this process is what makes it so convenient to use them, but you do need to know what you're doing ahead of time, right? So what they do is once they know what type of insurance you're looking for, they're going to compare that to your policy by asking you for your insurance like website logon information. And I don't know about you, but personally, I don't ever log into my insurance account online, so I don't have that information to give. And B, I don't really feel comfortable sharing that information online. So I wasn't going to use that. But the second option that they do is you can just upload a copy of your declarations page. And if you don't know what that is, like for car owner insurance at least, right? Whatever that card you carry around in your car is, that is just proof that you have insurance. But when you first signed up for them, they pretty much emailed you a 4 or 5 page document that talked about everything about the policy itself, like how much coverages you have, what the policy premium is, all the vehicle information is. So you pretty much upload that, right? Just a drag and drop file. And so once you upload that information to them, they pretty much have all the information they need to do a direct apples to apples comparison for your policy. So if you don't have that, make sure you get that ahead of time because that's going to make the whole process a lot easier. I will also say this, right? When I uploaded my policy information, I was using State Farm. And so because that's a provider that was super easy to compare against, it took them literally like minutes to have every quote available to me. My girlfriend used something called like the Republic Group. That's kind of not as well known. And so it took a little bit of time before she got her quotes. It was still the same day though, so it was super easy. And then pretty much once that happens, you're going to have everything right in front of you as far as who's going to save you the most money. Now, I do want to take a minute here and say that this quote process has two parts, right? The first part where you upload kind of your vehicle information and your coverages amount, and that's when you get this first quote, but that's not your final quote, right? And I did want to mention that specifically because we thought that my girlfriend was going to be able to save like over $1,000, which would have been awesome. But the second half of it is once they get that information, they're also going to then do like the driver history and the accident history. And so for my girlfriend at least, this is when they found out about one ticket and one accident. And so she wasn't able to save as much money. So whenever she switched, right, she switched over her auto, her homeowners, and her umbrella policy. And she was able to save, I think it was just under $500. It was like $492, I think. And so even though she didn't save as much money as she thought she was going to, saving $500 is huge. There's no way we're going to turn that down. So the good news about it is she was able to save money. Pretty much what happens then is they're going to email you everything to sign electronically, and then your policy is good to go. One other cool benefit that I think is awesome is that they give you the option to pay through like your bank account or your credit card, and you can do it on a monthly basis or annually. Well, for us, right, if we have the ability to pay for it on an annual basis, A, that's a discount, but B, we can put it on our credit card and get like airline miles and cash back. As a side note, we do pay our credit cards off in full every month, so we don't pay interest on any of this stuff. But if you have the means to do so, absolutely take advantage of that feature as well. From there, they're going to email you, again, everything to sign, and they will also give you letters to send out to your existing insurance provider. That way you can cancel coverage. Because just because you switched your insurance provider, it doesn't automatically cancel out your existing one. You need to make sure you do that. That way they're not continuing to charge you after the fact. But either way, Gabi was super easy to use. It saved her some money. We're probably going to try to do this again next year once those accidents and tickets fall off. But either way, hopefully it allows you guys to save some money as well. Don't forget there is a referral link. Likewise, if you guys are able to save some money, please make sure to let us know because we're trying to help as many people as we can do as many good and beneficial financial actions in their life. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. You guys know what to do. But take care. Thanks for watching. Make smart financial decisions, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, I know I just said this stuff, but let me say it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. And to support you, here's 2 more videos that I've made in the past in case you haven't seen them. Don't forget to share these with your friends and family so we can help all the people achieve their financial goals. Likewise, if there's anything that you would want to see made that you haven't seen thus far, definitely don't hesitate to let me know. But thanks again, take care, and have a good day.